Today, a meeting took place that is already shaking the entire world. Donald Trump received Mohammed bin Salman, the Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia, in an encounter that instantly exploded across social media and triggered a wave of reactions, debates, and theories about what is truly happening behind the scenes. As soon as the footage was released, thousands of people rushed to comment, some calling the moment historic, while others see it as just another complex chapter in the long and controversial relationship between the United States and Saudi Arabia. What's striking is how every detail of the video has become fuel for speculation. Some claim Trump even called him Bubba, others are analyzing their body language, saying Trump leans in while the prince subtly leans away. And in the middle of all this come discussions about possible military deals, F-35 sales, oil negotiations, geopolitical leverage, and even old controversies that never stopped resurfacing, like the Khashoggi case, 9/11 connections, and the endlessly mentioned Epstein files. While some celebrate the meeting as the union of two strong leaders, others criticize it harshly, calling it reckless, suspicious, or symbolic of alliances forged far away from public transparency. And that's exactly what makes this moment so explosive. This isn't just a diplomatic visit. It's a move loaded with massive interests, hidden negotiations, and decisions that could influence global politics, economics, and security in ways most people don't even realize yet. That's why the video is spreading so fast, because regardless of opinions, everyone feels that there is something much bigger happening behind this meeting.